Okay, so hello guys. 4 days ago, I got a message from Maono that they are gonna be releasing a new microphone. It is called the Fairy Lite 902. This is actually the smaller version of the 903. This is like the microphone which is used by like streamers or podcasters. I'm excited to test it out. I'm gonna be showing you how this would sound like when we stream later on. I actually play Warzone and I do streaming in my Facebook as well. So if you guys are into that, you can follow me there too. My Facebook is Rensbu. Now let's go back to this USB microphone. I haven't opened this one yet. It literally just arrived this morning. There's actually two patterns for the 903. Now for the 902, which is this one, it only has the polar pattern. So that means that the voice that it will be picking up is from the front only. It's not gonna pick up the entire noise in the room, which is actually good. It also is a USB plug and play. Literally just plug it and play. It automatically, if you're using Windows, it automatically detects the microphone. It has the 3.5mm TRS jack for the output. So I've actually seen some videos about this one already, and there's like a port on the back, a 3.5mm port where you can insert your headset if you want to listen to your voice or listen to this as a speaker on your headset. So you just insert the 3.5 jack for the output. It has the table stand, but this one right here, I'm just gonna hide my face so it will focus. So the table stand, you can actually remove this if you're using that mount. You can use that stand as well. But before we go further, let's just open it up and see what's inside. We're gonna be unboxing this. Hope you can clearly see. So let's open it up. It has a card. Thank you for shopping. Yeah, it's like a thank you card, and if you have some feedback, they have an email here that you can do, or if you need help with setting it up or anything with that, you can contact them. They have a phone number and an email here. So it also came with the user manual, which is this. I'm gonna run through this one later. I'm just excited to see the actual microphone itself. So this is how it looks like in the box. We're just gonna remove this. So I'm taking out the microphone. Okay, wow. So first impression, I'm impressed with the build quality already. Like, I thought this is gonna be like a plastic microphone because the price is only like around $70 Canadian. So it's a lot cheaper compared to the other streaming microphones out there. The build quality is really good. It's made of metal. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, it is made of metal, and you can like feel how sturdy it is when you hold it. This is what I'm talking about. This is the stand, but you can actually remove this. So after you remove it, you can see like there's a threads on here where you can put that to those microphone stand. I'm just gonna put this back here because I don't have that microphone stand, so I'm gonna be using this. This is also made of metal. It has knob in here. You can adjust the position front or back. Now this is what the polar cardioid position means. The sound that will be coming, or that will be detected clearly by this microphone, will be coming from this part of the microphone only. Now the 903 version of the Maono, it has like a button here in the back where you can press if you want the microphone to like pick up the voice in the entire room, or just pick up the front portion of the microphone. If you would like to set this or adjust this, and you can just push this or whatever position you want, and then you can tighten the knob here, and then that's it. So this is the volume, the gain. This is the gain volume. This is the headphone volume, and this is the 3.5mm jack. This is where you connect your headset. This is the Type-C USB port. This is where you put that cord and then connect it to the computer. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to mute it, you can just press it and then press it again to unmute. So that's gonna be it. So it has an accessories. Let's see, what's this? Okay, so this is the accessory. So this is the cord, the Type-C cord that's gonna be connected to the back of the microphone into the computer. Alright, so let's test it out. I'm gonna be connecting this to my computer and I'm gonna play some games, some Warzone, and the voice or the sound that you'll be hearing from now on would be coming from this microphone. Okay, so now we're recording in the OBS studio. We're gonna be playing Warzone. I'm gonna be using this microphone, the Fairy Lite AU902, and I'm gonna be using a controller, and let's just try and test how this would sound. The volume, by the way, let me just show it to you. I set it to, the gain is almost at full. Now this microphone has a cardioid pattern, which means that it would only detect the audio coming from the front of it. I mean, it would detect the voice clearly from the front of it. So, which is actually good compared to the other like microphones, which would like captured everything in the background, even those unnecessary noise. So this one is really nice. I'm using the Logitech Wireless Pro X as my headset, and the microphone is just a few inches away from my mouth. So let's start. I'm gonna cue now. So we are gonna be playing solo in Warzone, and I think I would like change the mic from there. You probably hear some vibrations coming from the microphone. But that's normal. Now we'll just wait for us to get like into the match, and let's start how this would go. I'm probably gonna be like cutting this videos and then compile it, because one game would, if I reach this 5th or 6th circle, it's gonna be around 25 to 30 minutes, so it's gonna be very long. So let's just try to make it short. My main goal with regard to this recording, by the way, is to show you guys how this microphone would sound like if you're streaming. Now I don't use any audio filters or anything like that. This is entirely raw. I just plugged it in my computer, powered it on, and start recording with it. So if you can see, I removed the headphone from my headset, so it's not gonna be interfering or anything. Now again, the microphone that we are using right now is this one. It's the Fairy Lite, made by Maono. So game is about to begin. So this is my loadout, by the way. I'm using a K-Swiss sniper with the attachment, GRU suppressor, combat recon, bruiser grip, airborne elastic wrap, and a 5mm laser sight. So I'm pretty much comfortable with this setup. So let's start. Let me just make sure that the controller is working. Okay. Alright, so 15 seconds until the match would start.
Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Alright, if you're wondering what operator I'm using Balkan. This is the Milsim skin. And if you guys are actually into playing Warzone, you can like join our regiment, man, and let's play together. I usually play
Battle
around
Royale. Be
like
advised,
daily
gas is
around
closing in.
8
Proceed to the safe zone.
a.m. Philippines time or 8 p.m. Eastern time. So let's probably drop here. Okay, I'm just gonna loot here
That's our drop zone. Get ready.
and buy my loadout probably here at the circle or here. I'm jumping out. Okay, there's one enemy. I think it's going for the red doors. There's like a lot of red doors on this place right here.
Moving.
But yeah, I'll just loot here. Okay, so I had to cut the video from that recording because as the game goes on, I wasn't like really talking a lot, and while editing, I realized that the main purpose of this video is for you guys to have an idea how the microphone would sound like in an actual streaming environment. So that like first 2 minutes would probably give you already an idea how good this microphone is. The quality is really good. The voice is really clear. There's no like buffing sound or like noise or like wind sound. You don't hear it from that microphone. And I think overall this is a good value microphone, especially it's only like around $60 to $70 compared to those other microphones which would cost around almost $200. So for considering the price and the premium build quality of this, I highly recommend it. And I think I'm gonna be ending the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that helps you a bit on making your choice or making your decision on which microphone you will be going to. And if you have any questions, comments, please leave it down below. I would appreciate it. And if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will be uploading more video reviews in the future, and I've also made a playlist for that, for all those reviews that I've done on my channel. So thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.